nice dish. If you are a seafood lover or you like red fish or this thing, so you should like it. Today we are going to make sago tuna with the walnut cream and a touch of pineapple salsa. So here we start. Here is our ingredients. We are using carrot cream for garnish. This is our walnut cream, and this I made pineapple salsa, pineapple and cucumber salsa with Thai red chili and coriander. It's bit little spicy. So, and I am using this Maldon salt for the tuna, black pepper, roca for garnish. This is our grilled pineapple. This cherry tomato. This is our green pea tuli, which we use for garnish, and this is our fried spaghetti. This also we will use in garnish. So here we start, guys. You can, there are different techniques to cook a fish, but today I am doing with blowtorch. You can also do it with on pan to sear it, but blowtorch give it a smoky flavor and rustic flavor, so I want to try it with blowtorch. So for starting, we will take pepper and salt. This is our Maldon salt. Just put all over the fish. Just make sure that your fish is dry. Your fish is dry, so it will coat the black pepper and your salt. So here our fish is done. Just I will take my olive oil. Just a tinge of olive oil you have to put, so that it will not get burnt. So we will keep our things back and start with our blowtorch. You just have to keep in mind, if you are doing with blowtorch or this, that your hand will not burn if you are wearing gloves or this. It will give a very nice texture to your fish. It will give a very nice texture your fish, or just keep in mind it will not burn your fish. We have to cook it partially. If you like, you are cooking a steak or something, it's a sort of steak, so we have to cook it partially. You can see I'm not throwing fire straight on fish. So if you will throw the fire straight on fish, it will burn. Just turn your fish little bit. Again from this side you have to start. Same procedure you have to do. As you all know, red fish is favorite of everyone. Also, if you cook this fish a lot, it will be very hard in taste, chewy. So we will not cook it that much. So I think so this much we will cook our fish. This is done for me. I used to serve it rare so that it should. This thing you also know, guys, that a person should first eat from his eyes. After that he eat from his mouth or whatever the thing is. So just keep in mind, plating is that much important as your dish tastes like. Okay, guys. Just you have to put this much, don't overflow it. You can use anything as you like. I like to plate in this way, so I'm plating in this way. As you like, you want to plate it. This is our walnut cream. As I told you, I put parmesan in this, walnuts, cream, nothing else, salt, pepper. We will do the plating. Just simple plating you can do. I like to keep my plate little full, so I am doing abstract plating. This is your carrot puree, cream, butter, carrot, nothing else. You can make your plate as colorful as you want. Now guys, we will come back to our fish. This is our fish. Now I will take my mold out. So now we will cut our fish. As you like, you can cut in rectangle, you can cut in slab. I love to cut this fish in triangle, so I will go like this. You can see guys, I did not cook my fish that much, because if I cook it too much, it will be too hard. You can see the color, red color. So just place it like this, as you like. Now we will take our grilled pineapple. I just place the pineapple in between the fish. Pineapple will give it a very nice taste. And now we will put the second slab. As you can see guys, I plate my fish. Now you can use your tuli or something, whatever you want to use to plate this. You can just put here and there. And our cherry tomatoes. It will give a very nice taste. Using roka. Guys, this is our smoke. Now I am going to smoke it. We have this jar. Now I am going to smoke this fish. I am using cherry wood in this, so you can use any wood. Guys, this is our final dish. Smoked tuna with pineapple and cucumber salsa and walnut cream. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.